My dear viewers, this is Naz with Hijabs and You with another tutorial. How are you? Assalamu-Alaikum. I hope and pray inshallah all of you are doing well. Today's hijab tutorial is very quick and easy. We're using a rectangular shawl with a piece of fabric added to it, and today it's a bit of a shiny. It's got some sequins on it. It's a little bit fancier, but you can dress it up, dress it down. And because they've added that piece of fabric on there, it's called an instant scarf. So we're going to show you how we use this rectangular instant scarf to get this look quick and easy. Now I want to attempt today to do a silent tutorial. And what that means is when I'm showing you how to wrap the shawl, I'm not going to speak. I'm just going to show you exactly what I do. And if you can, please, I would like for you to leave me a comment later on to let me know if you like that or if you don't. Because when I speak, I've been told sometimes, you know, some sisters they're busy, they don't have time to watch all of the videos because I carry on and on and on. So a few of them have suggested that maybe just do the tutorial. I can speak before, speak after, but during the tutorial, just be silent. So I'm going to try that today. So I'm hoping that you are going to like this. Stay with me and let's find out together. My dear viewers, I don't think I can do that. It's very difficult. How am I not going to tell you what I'm doing or what I'm wearing? For me, it's difficult. I'm so used to talking to you while I do my tutorial, so it's going to be difficult. I'm going to try it. Once I start, I'm not going to speak, so let's see how that works. So you will let me know afterwards if you like that or you don't. So please, my dear viewers, just bear with me while I try to do this for the first time, and let it be a silent tutorial. So before I start to be silent, I must tell you I'm wearing my 𝗙𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗀𝗀. I put a cap on for some volume, because when I put the ninja on, when I put that on, it just really flattens my bun in the back and it's very flat. So I put you see, it gives a little bit of volume, not very much, just a little. I don't like a lot of volume, but a little. So, and this is the shawl. It's see, it's a rectangular shawl, really. See that? It's absolutely gorgeous. It's chiffon, and it is with a piece added to it. It's a nice piece of lace with sequins, and we're going to use that to achieve that look. So stay with me and let's do this together. So I'm going to go silent, so bear with me and watch me what I do. My dear viewers, how was that? Oh my God, it was so difficult not to speak with you, but I tried my very best to show you what I was doing silently, pointing out what I was doing without speaking. So I'm going to, please do leave me a comment, let me know what you think about that. Should I speak while I'm doing it and explain to you exactly what I'm doing, or just keep doing and you will see what I'm doing? I would love to hear from you, what you thought about me doing that silent tutorial. Please, please, please do let me know what you think. I need your feedback, okay, my dear viewers? It means a lot to me because a few sisters have recommended this, so I thought, okay, why not try it? I want to make it, it's still adding up to be a lengthy video. I thought I was going to make it short and sweet, but it's okay. For the first, I think it's okay. I didn't do too badly, but you let me know. Now, there, here, I pinned it there, and this is nice and hanging here. See that? Do you like that? I love it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful, my dear viewers. And you have a lot of plates, and it's nice and covered, and we are covered, and it is absolutely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's a nice shawl to start with. So that makes a difference. When the shawl is nice, and you know, the wrap is simple or easy, it still looks beautiful and elegant because it's a beautiful scarf. And we have an option. I'm just going to show you that. We'll take that out of there, and we just, as we brought that over, we give it a few folds. See that? Just giving it a few folds. Just a few. See how nicely it looks? And we have a lot of fabric, so it's okay if we do. See that, my dear viewers? We have a few folds, and how elegant that looks. See that? And then we use that same stick pin again. We just put it there. So what we've done is put the folds in, and then use the stick pin to keep your folds in place. And it's absolutely beautiful. Now the length of this depends on how much coverage you like. If you like to pull it up a little bit, you know, we're still with coverage, we still have coverage, it's up to you how far you want to go. Then all you do is move your pin from over here and adjust it. I think I can, where's my pin? It's there somewhere. I lost it in the process, but I'll find it. There it is. Okay, so basically what you do is you adjust this here to the length of what you would like, and then you pin it. My dears, what I did, my dear viewers, is I just folded it a bit so I can bring the length of this up a bit, and then I'm going to pin it again. Okay, my dear viewers? I'm just giving you options so you can see how you can use it to your likeness. And then we bring that fold back over on top of it, so it's nice and covered and it looks neat. It has to look neat, my dear viewers. It must look nice and neat. See, you've got a lot of fabric to work with. Look at how beautiful that is. I pulled this up a bit with still coverage, and I've created some folds on top, and my dear viewers, we are good to go. And to keep that fold in place, I'm just going to give it one little stick pin. Okay, my dear viewers, I'm just going to put a little stick pin there, keep my folds in place that I like. Absolutely beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Well, I hope you like that. It wasn't much of a silent tutorial, because yes, I did speak a lot after, but I hope, inshallah, that you're going to try it. It's a simple shawl, simple wrap, so please do try it. And my dear viewers, if you like what you saw, please hit the like button. Give me a thumbs up. It does help to build a platform. So hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Please, my viewers, share it. It's important. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do hit the subscribe button. Click on the bell icon and tick off the all so that you won't miss any of my uploads. And my dear viewers, like I said, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you're thinking. If you'd like me to be silent from start to finish, I can do that. It will be very difficult because I like to give you a little message here and there. But if you like the silent tutorial, I can also try and do that. I can speak before and after with the silent tutorial. You let me know. Leave a comment for me. Let me know, my dear viewers. It's important. My dear viewers, please do stay safe. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family. And please don't forget, remember our Creator. We must. It's important. Without Him, we are nothing. So it's important for you to do your daily requirements as a human being on the face of this earth. We all have a responsibility. So, my dear viewers, do your bit. Inshallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept all our intentions, good intentions, and may He help us with those ones that are struggling, that have difficulties. I pray that He helps all of us, because we all have our difficulties in our own way. So may He help all of us to overcome our difficulties and give us peace and give us tranquility in our life and accept our intentions. And even if we make good intentions and it doesn't happen, may He accept them, inshallah. Take care of yourselves. Until we meet again, this is Naz saying Assalamu Alaikum.